Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very easy as well as an important topic from unit number 7, that is tertiary sector. Unit number 7, that is tertiary sector. The topic here is write about growth of service sector in India. Write about growth of service sector in India. Like, I can give you a guarantee that compared to all the topics which we have discussed till now, this one is very easy. Just you need to remember the 3 points and some 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, some 12 numbers and 3 lines, the topic will be completed. And I can make sure you that this topic can be elaborated till 1.5 page. How? I'll tell you later. But before starting, what was the topic name here? Write about growth of service sector in India. Like, as in the earlier classes we have discussed that we were having some 3 sectors. The first one was agriculture sector, second is industrial sector, and third one is service sector. We have also drawn a pie chart on that day. For example, this is the pie chart, and previously this whole share was for agriculture, and then this little part was for service sector, and compared to that bigger one was the industrial sector. So this was the earlier stage, but now after the development went on day by day, the service sector have got greater importance. So this whole area now is taken by service sector. Service sector have replaced agriculture sector. So here you can see that previously, if I draw a graph, this was for agriculture, this was for industry, and this was for service sector. But now after the development, the highest bar diagram is for service sector, agriculture sector, and the smallest one is industrial sector. So this is the share now. So what are the various reasons and which sectors have been developing faster? Let us see in today's topic. Like, already as we have said that there are 3 sectors. The first one is agriculture sector, second one is industrial sector, and the third one is service sector. So under service sector, I said under service sector there are more subdivided sectors. What are those? Let us see. The first one is trade, hotels, transport, communication. So this is also considered as a separate sector under service. Is that clear? Under service sector there are various subdivisions. From that, the first one is trade between 2 countries. Then second one is hotels, third one is transport, and the fourth one is communication. If I read all 4 together, that is trade. The second one is hotels. Try to by heart with me. Trade, hotels, transport, communication. This is the first point. Under first point, how many points we are having? Trade, then second one is hotels, third one is transport, and communication. Is that clear? Now we'll by heart the years 2017 to 18, 2018 to 19, 2019 to 20. It's very easy. There are 3 years, 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. Is that clear? Let me write it here. 17, 18, 19 and 20. Is that clear? First one is 17 to 18. Second one is 18 to 19. Next one is 19 to 20. Is it very easy to by heart? Yes. 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. Just you need to add 2000. 2000, 17 to 18, 2000, 18 to 19, 2019 to 20. Now let us see what is the share of trade, hotels, transport, communication during the year 2017 to 18. It was nearly 7.8%. How much? 7.8%. Then it have decreased to 6.9%. 7.8 to 6.9. It is decreased, and then further it is decreased to 5.9%. Further it is decreased to how much? 5.9%. So in this all 3 years it have been decreasing and again decreasing. Is that clear? 7.8, then decreased to 6.9, further decreased to 5.9. Is that clear? Now we'll go to the second sector. It's financial, real estate and professional services. What is the second one? Financial, real estate. I said financial, real estate, professional services. Very easy. Repeat it with me. Financial, real estate and professional services. The first one was trade, hotels, transport, communication. Second one is financial, real estate and professional services. Let us see whether it have increased or decreased. During 2017 to 18 it was 6.2%. How much? 6.2%. And it have increased or decreased? It have increased to 7.4%. It have increased to 7.8%. Then again it have decreased to 6.4%. Do not get confused. 6 to 7, again 7 to 6. 6 to 7 it have increased. 7 to 6 again it have decreased. Just remember the difference. In first one decrease, again decrease. Second one increase, again decrease. Let us see the third one. Which sector? It's public administration, defense and other services. What is the third sector? Public administration, defense and other sectors. Repeat it again. Public administration, defense and other services. The first one was trade, hotels, transport, communication. Second one financial, real estate and professional services. Third one public administration, defense and other services. Let us see it has been increased or decreased. From 11.9% it have decreased to 8.6% and again it have increased to 9.1%. Again it have increased to 9.1%. I guess you are getting confused in percentages, like when is it increasing and when is it decreasing. Let us draw a graph and understand it. Okay, first one 7 to 6, 6 to 5. That means it is decreasing, right? This is the second line and this is the third line. It is increased, decreased, decreased. First one is completed. Second one, decrease to increase, increase to again decrease, decrease to increase, again it has decreased. Then third one, 11.9 to 8.6, decrease, again 8 point to 9 point, again increase, decrease. Then 8 to 6 is again increase. Again, if at all if you are not understanding this, do not get confused. First one, it is decrease, further decreased, increase, again decrease, increase, decrease, again increase. So these are the percentages. Just you need to by heart the sectors, the years and percentages. So this topic is completed, but in your examination if you just draw the table, that is not sufficient. So what you need to do, after this you need to write this sentence: as per the data given below, as per the data given below. Then you need to write the explanation. How to write the explanation? Just see here. Trade, you need to start the sentence as: the share of trade, hotels, transport, communication during year 2017 to 18 was 7.8%. It have decreased to 6.9% during 2018 to 19. Then again it have further decreased to 5.9% in 2019 to 20. I will give the arrow mark. Here it is decreased, again it have decreased. Is it clear now? Then second sentence, write full stop and again continue. The share of financial, real estate and personal services during 2017 to 18 was 6.2%. It have increased to 7.4% and again it have decreased to 6.4% in 2019 to 20. Is that clear? Just you need to see the table and you need to make a long paragraph with this. Third one, the share of public administration, defense and other services during year 2017 to 18 was 11.9% and it have decreased to 8.6% during 2018 to 19. It have decreased. And again during 2019 to 20 it have again increased to 9.1%. I will show you one more trick, like how to by heart when it is increasing and when it is decreasing. This is both decrease, increase and decrease. Is that clear? Now in third what you do, in second one, which one was increasing, you decrease that. Which one was decreasing, you can increase that. This is the next method how to remember whether it is increasing or decreasing. Once again, first sector was trade, hotels, transport, communication. Decrease, decrease. Financial, real estate, professional services. Increase, decrease. Then public administration, defense and other services. Decrease and increase. Now here the total services are written over here. So this is nearly increased to 7.5% during 2017 to 18. It have again decreased to 6.9, again increased to 7.5. Observe that it was 7.5 and again it came down to 7.5 only. So this topic is here completed. Do not think that it is complicated, tough, confusing. There are too many numbers, too many percentages. I'm getting confused whether it is increasing or decreasing. Just relax. By heart this. Just keep in mind decrease, decrease, increase, decrease, decrease, increase. That's it. And then by heart the numbers 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 11, 8, 9. Is that clear? Then again 7.5, 7.5 is same and middle you have 6.9. Hope you have understood the topic. Please practice it 4-5 times, 4-5 times, 4-5 times in your book. Then learn it, by heart it, write it without seeing until and unless you are perfect. See you in the next classes with some more and interesting topics. Till that, stay home, stay safe and always keep practicing.